Thank you, Madan sir. So we'll just go to the garden outside and we'll close it there. Uh, Thank you. So these are the regular notice board at the Bodhi Zendo place. So this shows the weather charts for the yearly weather charts along with the Kodaikanal climate data. So a graph which shows the monthly weather chart, minimum and maximum temperatures.
You could see it's never above 21.
So here in this chart you can see that the maximum temperature has not crossed 21 and today's temperature is 20 degrees, maximum and 19.4 minimum. So this is the scientific related sheets for the meditation, which says that meditation will improve thinking, meditation makes you more creative, meditation is useful for better living, so many things. There are so many researchers who do research on meditation, mind and brain. So these are some of the reports which is really useful for people who come here to read and understand, like what is the uses of meditations. For those who have queries like what is the use of meditation, here are some of the I can say these are reports, we can say, of different magazines, different newspapers and different science magazines, I can say that.
Here is a kind of a land map, very rough, showing the Bodhi Zendo here.
Yeah.
And you can see that the church which is on top of the hill is in the Uppuparai village, right? So the Bodhi Zendo, you can go to the main Kodai area. This is the Kodai area. Right. Now the Bodhi Zendo has an orphanage here, a school here, and a farm here.
Okay.
This is a very rough show.
So, Bodhi Zendo, actually the people who come to Bodhi Zendo, maximum would be European and the people from outside India. I can say that we are the first or the second batch, Indian batch, who come along with Madhavan sir to this place. See, we are here outside the main building. Here's the garden. We can say this is the Dhobi place where the people, Dhobi people, wash our clothes and dry it, iron it and give it back to us. It is 35 rupees per bucket, very cheap actually for people. See the sunflowers. These flowers are used for decorations. These flowers are used for beauty, and we need not pluck the flowers. We can just enjoy the beauty of the flower. There's a sunflower here. See this. How beautiful is this nature. People have to come to Bodhi Zendo once in their life and check and enjoy the beauty of the nature. So I'll just move towards the main garden area, where we can have small discussions, not to disturb others. So we can just move towards the garden area. This is just outside the main building. You can see the sanitary pipes for all the rooms coming out. So these are banana trees. See, mainly for the dinner, when fruits and vegetables are harvested and taken from the Bodhi Zendo place itself, they don't buy anything from outside. So this is the main place where you can see banana trees, flowers and a few vegetables.
You need turpentine. Come down and get it. Where? Here. Okay. Well, you want me to take it up or what? You finished?
So this is the small discussion place, or we can say it's a smoking place. So people who want to smoke can come to this place and have a smoke. So see how cleanly the place is maintained, and people have to come here once in their lifetime to enjoy the beauty of nature. Small pond here, a lot of fish is around it. You can check this. There's a small pond here. See the fish here. These are lotus petals lotus leaves with small lotuses on it. So this is the main place. People can come here, smoke without disturbing the other disciples. They can come sit here, enjoy the nature, have small discussions. A very good place. So this is the main garden of Bodhi Zendo place. We saw the entrance, we saw the main building along with the rooms, and this is a place for the disciples to come and smoke and have small discussions. So anything to add, Mr. Madhavan?
This garden, the backside of Bodhi Zendo, is a lovely garden. What we have between us and those distant hills you see is a deep valley. So we are on hill 1 and that's on the hill 2. And this valley carry all the fresh air to us, right? And every particle of this air rejuvenates every cell in our body. And thus, we feel energized on one side from the energy of atmosphere, on the other side, the energy of meditation. We need to understand that we are an object of a body and a subject of mind. Both need to be at very serene, cool, calm nature to enjoy the very existence of all of us. So relax the body and relax the mind. That's the beauty of living experience. Life is not running like catching the ox and realizing ox and self are same. But during the process of catching the ox, every second you can enjoy your own very existence. And that is life. And this kind of experience that you get when you come to Zendo and stay for a while, it is just a small tip of the iceberg of life experience. Come and be with the people of Bodhi Zendo. Welcome.
Thank you, sir. You can hear the songs of the birds and the insects. It's very clear. Early in the morning, you can find them singing all around the Bodhi Zendo, and no other music is required here. People spend a lot of money for iPods, but if you come here, it's very natural. You can hear these beautiful voices of the birds and really enjoy the music. So thanks a lot, viewers. So this was a small video on Bodhi Zendo. So we are really thankful to Madhavan sir for getting us to this place, without whom we would have not seen such a place in our lifetime. So thanks a lot, Madhavan sir.
In case you want to know more about it, or you have some doubts to clarify, or you got some comments to make, I welcome you to contact us. My name is Madhavan. The cell phone is 98860-67232, and my email ID is dr.madhavan, MADHAVAN, at glowhy.org. You can visit our website www.glowhy.org.
Thanks a lot, Madhavan sir.
Meet you soon.
Thanks
Bye-bye.
a lot.